Welcome back, friends. In this video I'll show you how to convert Instagram business account to personal account. Now, for you to convert Instagram business account to personal account, you need to have your Instagram installed in your Android or iOS. Now for this case I'm using Android. Now I will go into my Instagram app. As you can see, I will click there, then it will bring me to the home page. Now for us to convert our Instagram business account to personal account, we will go to our profile, we will click the bottom right corner and we will come to our profile. As you can see, this Instagram, it is an Instagram business account, but we want to convert it to a personal account. Now we will click the top right corner, these lines that are at the top right corner there, and then we will click settings and privacy. Now you can see here it is written business tools and controls. Now we will scroll down, we scroll down, we scroll down. Okay, we will come to business tools and controls. Then we will see switch account. As you can see here, switch account. Just below monetization status, we will click switch account. Then it will tell us switch to personal account. Now because we want to switch Instagram business account to personal account, now we will click switch to personal account. Now we will click there, then we will click switch to personal account. Now it has converted from Instagram business account to personal account. Now we will confirm this by going back to the profile page. We'll go back to the profile page and refresh, and it has already converted from Instagram business account to personal account. As you can see, there is no insight and there is no any additional, now meaning that it has already been converted to personal account. Now this is how you can convert your Instagram business account to personal account. Now if you found this video helpful and if it has worked for you, please subscribe to my channel and also comment in the comment section if it has worked for you, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.